Thank you very much, Mr. These are among the regulations of free and accepted entities. Your assent must be free. Do you submit to these charges and promise to support this regulation as pastors have done in obeying before you? And my brother, in consequence of this assurance and with full confidence in your capacity to see, he now appoint me. Place your hands upon the Holy Bible, swearing compasses to take the solemn vow of your office. Repeat after. I propose solemnly and sincerely vow that I will maintain, support and enforce the Constitution and edicts of the Brotherhood of free and accepted nations, and will faithfully perform to the best of my ability all the duties of the office to which I have been elected. All right, my brother. Amen. All right, my brother. That as the master workman, you may extract a craftsman in larger tools and virtues, whose still have been selected for this way. This way,
Let me try pa dyan. Oo, try pa dyan.
It is an emblem of moral duty. It is out to avoid all discrimination and to pursue an honest and avoid cause and that which will lead to our elevation in the higher realms of the mountain. The opposite. Teach us to limit our desire and frustration and never to suffer our passions or prejudices to become the masters of our judgment. The rule. The rule that the building is just about music, that we should press forward and display paths of right and truth without inclining to the one hand or the other, and all of doing having eternity. The black line. It is an emblem of moral rectitude. It is us to avoid the dissimulation and to pursue the honest and upright cause in life which will tend to our elevation in the higher realm of the mountain. There is another important thing to be raised in church. The book of God's Word. You are expected diligently to search and from time to time to cause its contents to be read in your life. That none may remain ignorant of the perception enjoined or of the nonsense which it propagates. That book contains the violence of your life, which will be your patient duty to see carefully and factually in your head. And that is important. Under the authority of your life, you help you are carefully to preserve and duly transmit your successor and the master. Very more simple, brother, master of surrender, that the master is his station